Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have for you a doorbell using pressure plates and obviously note blocks, because that's the only way you can really have a doorbell. Um, so in this particular case I have it set up so the doorbell is going to go on this first pressure plate click only. As hopefully you can just hear there. So when you stand on that pressure plate, the doorbell can ring, and then you can have it set up so maybe this is an iron door or something. And so the person inside will have to hear the doorbell, and then you can put a switch on the other side, like over here, for them to flip and let you in. And basically the only reason I did it this way is to show that you can have it one away from the door and still work without opening it all the time. It only opens on the second pressure plate. So how I did this is I just took a redstone line right out of this first pressure plate, went down, inverted it to start with. That was the first thing I did, and then had that inverted torch power this line, and then power this torch, which inverts it again. Basically, it's just kind of some like vertical distribution, or whatever you want to call it, dropping it down. And then I had it directly go into this note block. A line of redstone go directly in this note block, but you have to have it so there's nothing underneath that note block. So you want to dig a hole and then put the note block over that air, because if there's anything underneath it, it changes the sound of the note. And you also want to have it open above the note block as I discovered. It was causing some issues, like it wasn't playing, or it was playing the wrong notes or something. It just caused some really weird issues I did not expect. And then I did the same thing on this side, open air. So this torch comes down, redstone line goes in this note block, and then goes into this repeater, which will give a delay on it. I have it on the longest delay, 4 clicks, or 4 ticks. Then it goes into this redstone line, and then goes into this note block. And as you can see, there are signs of how many clicks. As soon as you put down the note block, you'll just start right-clicking on the note block, count to 16, and then count to 12 on this one, and that'll give you the best doorbell sound, as hopefully you can hear here. You got a little ding ding, or ding dong, or whatever you want to call it. This one, I just have it on a single pressure plate. You step on it, rings the doorbell, you walk in, so people can hear you're coming in. If you want to do a double door system, this is the outer door, and then have an iron door, and like this is a little holding area, and have an iron door. Or you can make this one iron so they actually get stuck once they come in until you let them out. Or let them in over here, like the second door. This thing's the same thing, open air under both. Have to have air above them. I think this is where I actually discovered that. 16 clicks and 12 clicks, give long delay. And this one, I just have it directly, I didn't do any vertical distribution, I just did it close to the surface. So I just have the redstone line coming down, directly going in, no inverting or anything. You want it unpowered until you step on the pressure plate. So I hope you guys like that. Hope you guys can use it in your worlds, come up with good ways to use it. So thanks for watching, everybody. See ya.